In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your Serpentine belt tensioner pulley on this Dodge Ram 2500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Let's get started. Use a 3/8 drive ratchet or Serpentine belt tool. Stick it in the tensioner right there. Pull clockwise on it. That should release pressure, and then you can remove the belt. There we go. Let that go. Remove your tool. Use a 15mm socket, put it on the bolt that goes through the tensioner, break it free. It's pretty tight. And remove it the rest of the way. Should come off fairly easy once you break it free. Take the bolt out, set it aside safely. We will be reusing it. If yours is in poor condition, replace it. Grab the tensioner, and there it is. Clean up the area a little bit, make sure there's minimal corrosion, and put the new tensioner in, just like that. It should line up. Now, of course, it's not going to stay because this one's not corroded on there, unlike the old one, so I gotta have the bolt ready. All right, it does have 2 dowel pins on the back, as you can see now that it's in there. There's one over here, one over there. Those have to line up. Once you line those up, you'll be able to thread on this bolt by hand. Just bring it in the rest of the way. Let's snug it up. "30 foot-pounds is the torque for this bolt. Get your 3/8 ratchet in the tensioner. Pull the tensioner clockwise. That should give you enough slack on the belt to put it up and around. Well, ideally I would do it around the idler because it's a flat pulley, but it's further down and I just can't get my hand in there. So I'm going to go around the alternator. Makes it more difficult because of the ribs that want to stick, but at this point you always want to double check your pulleys. As you can see, this one is not lined up, so I'm going to put it back on there. Double check everything else before you call this done. Looks like down there is good, this one's good. Everything else looks perfectly lined up. Now do double check it again after you turn the engine on. Turn it on for a couple seconds, shut it off, come here and check it, but at this point this looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.